Torrential slide value equivalent to 309.06 rands a coin. The present cost range, 305.99–311.41. The earlier day close, 310.24. The change was 1.18, 0.38%. Opposite rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Avalanche cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 317 rands, high 339, low 295. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 290 rands, high 310, low 270. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 249 rands, high 266, low 232. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 260 rands, high 278, low 242. In multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 265 rands, high 284, low 246. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 274 rands, high 293, low 255. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 272 rands, high 291, low 253. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 276 rands, high 295, low 257. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 290 rands, high 310, low 270. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 291 rands, high 311, low 271. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 298 rands, high 319, low 277. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 307 rands, high 328, low 286. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 310 rands, high 332, low 288. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 308 rands, high 330, low 286. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 301 rands, high 322, low 280. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 296 rands, high 317, low 275. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 301 rands, high 322, low 280. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 305 rands, high 326, low 284. Torrential slide figure on Friday, May 19, cost 308 rands, high 330, low 286. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 300 rands, high 321, low 279. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 315 rands. Excessive cost 400, while low cost 232. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 302. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 260. Change for April 17.5%. Torrential slide figure for May 2023. To start with cost at 260 rands. Exorbitant cost 332, while low cost 203. The found the middle value of cost 253. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 218. Change for May 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 218 rands. Exorbitant cost 235, while low cost 205. The found the middle value of cost 220. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 220. Change for June 0.9%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 220 rands. Exorbitant cost 220, while low cost 187. The found the middle value of cost 207. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 201. Change for July 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 201 rands. Exorbitant cost 249, while low cost 201. The found the middle value of cost 221. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 233, change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 233 rands. Exorbitant cost 233, while low cost 182. They found the middle value of cost 211. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 196, change for September 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 196 rands. Exorbitant cost 196, while low cost 153. They found the middle value of cost 178. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 165, change for October 15.8%. Torrential slide gauge for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 165 rands. Exorbitant cost 200, while low cost 165. They found the middle value of cost 179. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 187, change for November 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 187 rands. Exorbitant cost 190, while low cost 166. They found the middle value of cost 180. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 178, change for December 4.8%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 178 rands. Exorbitant cost 178, while low cost 140. They found the middle value of cost 162. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 150, change for January 15.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 150 rands. Exorbitant cost 186, while low cost 150. They found the middle value of cost 165. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 174, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 174 rands. Excessive cost 174, while low cost 136. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 158. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 146, change for spring 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at 146 rands. Excessive cost 146, while low cost 114. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 132. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 123, change for April 15.8%. ZAR to AVAX conversion standard equivalent to 0.3236 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3211 minus 0.3268. The earlier days nearby 0.3223. Change for now plus 0.0013 plus 0.40.